I've already got up and walked twice around the circle with my dad, but I figured you've probably seen that like so many times you don't need to see like the same thing again. I'm just wearing this like dress I got from Target, but it's too small for me now, like it's too short, so I'm just gonna wear it as a cover up because for some reason it's like acceptable to wear it as a cover up if you're wearing a bathing suit. I don't know what time it is. 9:45 right now, 9:47. So my mom is on a run, my grandma's going on a walk, so we have to wait for like them to come back and shower and everything, and then we're gonna go. So I'm pretty hungry because I walked like 4 miles, so I'm gonna make some avocado toast. So this is what my dress looks like. In case you're wondering, I couldn't really see it. You couldn't really see it before, so yeah, this is what it looks like. What is that? So we are getting ready to head out to go to Benny's on the beach, and I am super excited because this is one of my favorite things to do when we're here. And I think we're gonna like sit on the beach for a little bit and read and stuff. There's like, I need to fix my hair. She just like whips out a bobby pin from her pocket. Oh no, okay. We made it to Benny's, and it's a 45-minute to an hour wait, so we're gonna like walk down to the shops and stuff and maybe take some pictures or something. Oh my god. We just took a ton of pictures, so I will insert all of those right now, or at least the ones that I like, because probably and some of me. Probably like half of them I won't end up liking, but the ones I do like I'll put in. We just got seated and we have this boardwalk in the back on the ocean over there. We've got fries.
It's like wall-to-wall people.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, remember? Everyone else's food is here and I'm so hungry. This looks so good. It's like underneath. Finished lunch. It was super good. It was so filling because it was like tons of avocados. And now we are going to get the chairs and stuff from the car, and we're going to sit on the beach for like 30 minutes or an hour or so. So blue. It's cold. Yeah, but now when you stand there, watch that very hot. We finished at the beach and we are on our way home. We are heading out to go to the mall because Sarah cracked her phone. So we're gonna go to a place to get it fixed, and then we might like walk around or something. And then I also found this like vegan and gluten-free bakery that looks so cute, and they have like really good food, so we might stop there depending how far away it is from the mall. This is cute. This shirt is so cute, but like I don't know if I like it. I don't know. I'm gonna try on these like pants and see if I like those, and then I'll see like what I want to spend my money on. This one is pretty cute, but I don't think I want to get it. I don't know. I feel like these would be cute with like a white like crop top or something. I don't know. I feel like I don't look good in pants.
I feel like they're pajama pants.
They're not pajama pants. I ended up just getting that tank top like with the floral shirt, and now we're in H&M, and I love H&M because everything is like 10 bucks, which is still a lot for me because like I'm literally broke, but I mean it's okay. So I didn't get, what is, oh that's a vape store. Didn't get anything in H&M, and we went into the phone repair thing, and they said it's gonna be another like 15 minutes. So we are walking around. I think we're gonna go into Aeropostale because, wait, it's factory store. I am wearing shorts under this, so it looks a little weird. I don't know if I like this. I feel like it doesn't look good. I don't know. We are done in H&M. I didn't get anything, but Sarah got this super cute dress. Now we're going back to the film place to go pick it up. Now we are heading to the vegan and gluten-free cafe, and I'm super excited. Oh no! Oh, is it? The vegan place is closed, and I am so sad. It literally closed 7 minutes from when we opened the door. It's like it was 6:07. So we're going to a different place. It's called the Chickpea, and they have stuff that I can eat. It says that we're going the right way on here. Bowl with the turmeric rice and the super greens, please. Target now again. We were here before, but I need a few things for baking because everybody wants more of the chocolate chip cookies I made. These are all green. I've never seen a Target that looks like this. I guess they're renovating, and that's why it's like really empty. I don't know. It just looks really different than our Target. Here's my salad. It looks so good. It's more of like a bowl, I guess, because I have rice in it, but it looks so good.
Got it, so it's the bread there.
Hello, so it has been a while since I last vlogged, but I ate my dinner and I ate about half of it, and then
photobomb.
I ate like half of it, and then I got really full, but I just finished the whole thing, and it was so good. And now I'm gonna make cookies because I made cookies the other night, and like everyone loved them and wanted me to make more. I literally have baked in like every vlog, but like that's what I do all the time. So I just changed into my pajamas, just these like sweatband jogger things from Costco, and then this is thrifted. But I was really cold. My grandparents' house was like really cold at night for some reason. From Sarah Bakes, gluten-free, and they are supposed to look like this. So hopefully mine actually turn out that way because they didn't turn out that way last time, but we'll see. So I figured out why the cookies spread and got like super big and like weird last time. It's because I didn't refrigerate the dough. I like completely skipped that step. It says to refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. So I'm gonna refrigerate it for about an hour while I bake another thing, because why not? And then I'll like take it out and stuff. So it should be better this time, I think. I'm making this blueberry cobbler that is vegan and gluten-free. Oh no, it's coffee cake. So yeah, I'm gonna make that. I just picked, literally my finger is blue. I just picked all of these blueberries out to put them in because I didn't want to use fresh berries. My dough has finished refrigerating, so now I'm just gonna scoop it out onto the pan. I have 1, 2, 3 pans of cookies, and this is in the oven.
I think she's sweating.
Look at the layers here. It looks so good. This is, by the way, it tastes so good. Hello, so it's a little bit after midnight and we are heading to sleep. I'm literally exhausted. I never stayed this late, so yep, we are heading to sleep. And I don't know, I just fell on the ground. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out.